Ever found yourself stuck in the middle of a hike, thinking you had that one perfect gadget to save the day? Well, we've all been there. Whether it's scaling mountains or trekking through dense forests, the right gear can transform any outing from ordinary to extraordinary. So, in this video, we'll share a list of 40 coolest hiking gear essentials available today. Without further ado, let's stick around. After a grueling day on a week-long hike, a hot meal is desperately needed to refuel and lift spirits. To handle this necessity smartly, the Primus Lite Plus cooking stove is worth adding to the gear list. This compact and lightweight stove system is enough for feeding 1 to 2 people, offering unbeatable heating efficiency in an easy-to-use package. Just twist this half-liter pot onto the burner, hit the piezo igniter, and bam! Boiling water in under 3 minutes thanks to the 4,500 BTU flame. It's quieter too, maintaining the serenity of the outdoors. The stove packs into the hard anodized aluminum pot along with a 100 grams or 3.5 ounces gas canister, making it durable. With its handy suspension kit, cork-insulated pot sleeve, and precise flame control, this stove ensures a hot meal or coffee break is on time and healthy. When hitting the trails for a long hike, a reliable and adaptable backpack is essential for carrying all the necessary gear efficiently. That's where the Coney Modular Backpack shines. This backpack is a high-quality, adaptable solution crafted in Europe. The Coney is designed to cater to all adventures, whether urban or wild. Utilizing a hook and loop system, it allows customization with 9 starting modules, making it easy to adapt to whatever gear is being carried. Designed in Switzerland and engineered in Germany, this modular backpack features top-tier, water-resistant zippers and durable, recycled fabric, ensuring it can withstand the elements and the test of time. The modular design means you can create the perfect interior layout for your specific needs, whether it's a weekend hike or a daily commute. With spacious compartments and easily accessible pockets, organizing gear has never been simpler. The backpack is not just versatile, but also comfortable, with padded straps and a supportive back panel, making it suitable for long hours of wear. Almost invariably, we find ourselves halfway up a trail, lamenting that our pants just can't keep up with the shifting conditions. That's precisely why the Beyond Nordic BN002 made it onto our list. Developed by hiking fanatics, these pants are designed to meet the modern hiker's necessities. The BN002 is a reimagined version of their popular BN11, featuring a zip-off design that transforms them into shorts, highly adaptable for changing weather conditions. Made with high durability fabric and equipped with the Reco system for searchability in emergencies, these pants are both practical and innovative. These pants offer a clean design and top-tier functionality, ensuring stay comfortable and prepared on the trail. With input from backers and a focus on essential features, these pants are set to become a staple in any outdoor enthusiast's gear collection. Do you often worry about a low battery during long hikes? Traditional power banks fall short, but the Solar Energy S is here to make some difference. This mobile power supply also functions as a portable solar charger with a 40,000 milliamp hour capacity and power delivery of 120-watt fast charging. Its retractable solar panels are lightweight and capture sunlight efficiently, even on cloudy days. The built-in LED display shows real-time battery and charging status. Dedicatedly made for hiking, camping, or emergencies, this solar-powered system ensures you stay powered and connected, eliminating battery anxiety and providing reliable support wherever you go. Almost every hiker knows the struggle of finding a backpack that's up for every challenge on the trail. That's where the Why Not Wild backpack from the Wildland series comes in. Whether it's camping, hiking, hunting, trekking, bushcraft, portaging, or traveling, this backpack has it covered. This one features multiple compartments, including a spacious main compartment, a front pocket, and side pockets for easy access. Made with durable, water-resistant fabric and military-grade hardware, it can handle anything nature throws at it. The ergonomic design with padded, articulating shoulder straps ensures comfort, even on long treks, and the optional waist belt adds extra support. The knot also includes a hydration bladder pocket, removable expandable mola pocket, and an axe pass pocket for better versatility. Protecting locking weather flaps with compression straps keep gear secure, while laser-cut molle in an engraved leather patch add a touch of style. The compression straps with quick release buckles and a ripstop packing pouch make it easy to manage the load. It's a reliable companion for those who love to move and explore the great outdoors. The Garmin GPS Map 66i is a rugged, button-operated GPS handheld and satellite communicator that combines precise navigation with global communication. Featuring Garmin topo-active mapping and inReach technology, this device is designed for outdoor enthusiasts. With interactive SOS alerts, two-way messaging, and location tracking, you can stay connected and safe anywhere in the world. The GPS Map 66i comes preloaded with topo-active maps of the US and Canada, providing detailed terrain information. The device boasts a battery life of up to 35 hours in tracking mode and up to 200 hours in expedition mode. It is built to military standards for thermal, shock, and water performance, including ML-STD 810, and features a chemically strengthened glass lens, a transflective color TFT display, and a tilt-compensated 3-axis compass. The GPS Map 66i also supports multi-GNSS, such as GPS and Galileo for accurate tracking in challenging environments. For a connected and safe hike on your adventures, the Garmin GPS Map 66i can be a reliable companion. Next up, meet the Casio ProTrek, a must-have for hikers and outdoor enthusiasts, packing advanced technology into a compact and robust design. Along with a thermometer, barometer, and altimeter, it has a compass for accurate direction when hiking, even in tricky conditions. These sensors are 95% smaller than previous models, yet deliver higher reading accuracy and improved energy efficiency. The Casio ProTrek offers barometric pressure readings with the highest precision. Its solar-powered battery offers an approximate runtime of 9 months on a full charge, extending to 24 months when stored in total darkness with the power save function on. It boasts a 100-meter water resistance rating and low temperature resistance of up to 14 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a reliable companion in various environments. In addition to its sensor features, the ProTrek has a range of other functionalities. These include world time, sunrise and sunset display, stopwatch, countdown timer, and 5 daily alarms. The LED backlight ensures readability in low light conditions, while the full auto calendar function keeps you up to date until the year 2099. The Casio ProTrek is a robust, feature-packed watch designed for outdoor enthusiasts. Its advanced sensor technology, durable design, and range of functionalities make it an essential piece of hiking gear. When it comes to hiking adventurers, comfortable footwear that can be reliable for a long period is a must-have gear for hiking and outdoor enthusiasts. And there comes the Salomon Crosshike 2 in the list, which is mid-Gore-Tex sneakers. This lightweight and agile hiker offers an exceptional combination of grounding, protection, and comfort, making it perfect for multi-day routes and muddy terrains. The Crosshike 2 sneakers feature multi-directional deep lugs that provide an aggressive grip on various surfaces, ensuring the user stays firmly grounded. The higher cut design provides enhanced ankle support and protection, making these shoes ready for even your wildest adventures. The updated shell pattern and additional eyelets improve the foothold, while the mid-cut design wraps your ankles for extra protection. With neutral foot support and a height of 5.2 inch, the Salomon Crosshike 2 mid-Gore-Tex sneakers include a lively, playful nature that's perfect for hiking the great outdoors, even if it is an unpaved surface. It is impossible to imagine a multi-day hiking trip without an ultralight tent, and to make sure we have the ZPAC Duplex Zip tent is a diverse storm and unconditional weather protective tent, featuring several updates that make it even more versatile and user-friendly for hikers. Its zippered storm doors with peak vents provide extra protection from wind and rain while maintaining ventilation, and magnetic door toggles make it easy to secure the doors. The Duplex Zip tent is lightweight, roomy, and well ventilated, packing down small and pitching easily with 2 trekking poles adjusted to around 48 inches. The symmetrical design allows 2 adults to lay side by side in either direction, creating a superior sleeping experience, and the 4 storm doors can be opened or closed independently for best-in-class views and ventilation. The tent features a solid sewn-in 8-inch tall bathtub floor, and mesh pockets are conveniently located near each screen door. It is made from Dyneema composite fabric, The tent is naturally waterproof, stretch-free, and easily repairable. The expected lifespan of this shelter is at least one full 2,500 plus mile through a hike or many years of casual use. The pack size is 6 inches in diameter by 12 inches tall, and the stuffed sack size is 7 inches in diameter by 13 inches tall. This ultralight backpacking tent is known for its user-friendly features, spacious and comfortable interior, and lightweight and durable construction is well fitted for adventurers seeking high-performance hiking gear.